Dubai's summers can be intense, but keeping your home cool doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 5 smart tips to beat the heat in the UAE. 1. Don't switch your AC on and off. Let it run lightly and evenly on 25 degrees Celsius. It saves energy and keeps the temperature steady. 2. Block the sun with blackout or reflective curtains during the hottest hours. 3. Seal small gaps around windows and doors. This simple step keeps the cool air inside. 4. Create shade outdoors. Whether it's awnings, blinds, or balcony plants, every bit helps. 5. Switch to LED lights. They use less energy and keep your home cooler. Small changes, big results. Stay cool this summer in a smart way.